Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I am doing a vintage yarn giveaway. Now, a few months ago, a friend of mine gave me a number of totes. I think there was like 7 totes full of yarn, and most of it was all vintage yarn. And, a lot of it I don't know what to do with, and I figured I would just go ahead and pass it on to my subscribers. So I put a post on my community tab the other day asking if any of my subscribers would be interested in a vintage yarn giveaway. And I think like 91% of you said yes. So today, let's go ahead and do this yarn giveaway. So I picked out some really pretty Easter colors since Easter is coming up. And these are all the same type of yarn. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. Now these are all called Fluffy Unger. And it is made in France. And you can see that it has an old Lee Ward's price tag on it, which is very nice. Now, some of these, they might have a little bit gone out of the center. This is a full one right here in the white, I do believe. There's no real hole in the middle, and it seems a little bit, heavier, but that's okay. I mean, there's still a lot on here. These are machine washable acrylic, and they look to be maybe like a 3-weight or maybe even a 2. I'm not sure, but there is a definite halo on here. I usually go with a thicker yarn, so, why not just let somebody else enjoy these? So this is the first color. They just go by die lot numbers. There is no specific color name. And then I got this one. This is a little pink one. There is a little bit missing out of this one, but it is so pretty. It's a pale pink. And I had shown you this big white one that I have, and these are 50-gram balls. The full ones are 50 grams. And then this one. Now this one does look like it has some missing, but that's okay. And the same with the yellow. There's still a lot on here. And then there is a pretty, like a darker turquoise color. So there are 6 skeins, and I do believe, most of them do have some missing, except for the white one. But they are all vintage, and they are all really pretty. And if you mix them all together, I bet you can make something really pretty for Easter. So here's a basic rundown of the rules. So in order to win these yarns, you need to live in the lower 48 states. If you do live in Alaska, Hawaii, or outside of the United States, I will, in lieu of the yarn, send you $10 PayPal to your PayPal account. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any way, shape, or form, and all of the rules are listed in the description box below. So in order to enter this contest, you must type the word vintage in the comments below. Now, just don't type the word vintage by itself. Please include it naturally in a sentence so someone can't just come on to the page and just see the word vintage and just type it without watching the video, because I really, would appreciate people watching the video if I'm giving something away. So I hope you understand that. So please just write the word vintage somewhere in a natural sentence in the comments, and then I will use a random comment picker to choose the winner. Now, the deadline to enter this contest with your comment is noon Central Standard Time on March the 15th. And like I said, if you are in the lower 48, you will win these vintage yarns. And if you are outside of the lower 48, I will send you $10 USD through PayPal. I will post the winning video no later than March 20th. So I'm excited to see who's going to win. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget, I do go live every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure you join me there. And good luck on the giveaway. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Laura.